Welcome! In today's competitive job market, creating a standout resume is essential, but often tedious. With KaibanJS, you can automate this process, making resume creation quick and efficient. Let's explore how it works. As you know, crafting a resume manually can be time-consuming and prone to errors. You need to gather all your information, format it professionally, and ensure the content is compelling. This can easily become overwhelming and lead to missed opportunities. KaibanJS simplifies this process using intelligent agents. We have Mary, the profile analyst, who extracts structured information from your input, and Alex Mercer, the resume writer, who creates a professional resume that highlights your skills and experience. Together, they make resume creation seamless and effective. Let's see how it works. We start by setting up the resume creation team, adding Mary and Alex as our agents. We provide the input, like David Leake's career details. Mary processes this input, extracting key information such as job history, skills, and education. Then, Alex uses this structured data to generate a polished resume. On the Kanban board, you'll see the agents moving through their tasks, changing status from to do to doing, and finally to done. Once the process is complete, we get a professional resume with detailed information, ready to be submitted to potential employers. With KaibanJS, resume creation is no longer a hassle. Our intelligent agents handle the complex tasks, so you can focus on your job search. Ready to revolutionize your resume creation? Try KaibanJS today. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your job applications.